What's been going on here? Well, don't go anywhere because I'm about to show you. Roll credits. Wow, that last rigging tutorial video turned into a 30-minute extravaganza to get us to this stage. As you can see, we now have a bit of line that goes through the photo etch piece there, the control horn, and it was an absolute ball ache to do. I knew there was a hole there. I knew this should fit for it because I've done it before. I had my Optivisor on with its most powerful lens over a piece of white paper so I could see what I was doing. The Optivisor was actually over my actual glasses that I wear, and it was a bit of a struggle, I'm not going to lie. But okay, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to now fix this line into there, get that stuck in, and how I'm going to do that, I am going to have to move you away and back a little bit. Oh, come on, focus. Thank you. So I just need to snip the end of this off because it's folding over. And you can see how it's no, you can't see. Yeah, this is some tutorial. Right, so what I'm going to do is, using this, I'm going to put, you know what I ought to do first is just make sure that the hole that's going to go in is completely clear. Right, this is a little bit of a one-shot deal, if I'm going to be honest. I'm going to put this glue in there. Let's go with tweezers. Oh, come on. I should 100% have put my Optivisor on. Okay, let's have a rethink. I'm going to put my Optivisor on and get that in there. This is almost impossible. Oh, this is tricky because when I've got this Optivisor on now, I can't see anything. Oh, there you go. In you go. Make sure the hole's clear. Yeah, it's a bit plugged up glue now. And now I've just put me. Now I've just Stuck that to my hand. Oh, we are having so much fun building models, aren't we? Right, let's go again. I thought I got everything ready to go, and I was fully prepared just to get this done. Okay, this is it this time. Let's do it properly. A little bit of super glue there. Grab me flat tweezers. And in you go. Feels like it's caught, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a blast with the accelerator. Give it a minute to go off, and we'll come right back. Okay, that should have dried and caught. So what I'm going to do, just to test it, I'm going to grab the thread, give it a very gentle pull. Yep. Right, we're in business. So what I'm then going to do, I'm going to pull this, and there she goes. There we go, tightens up, and there we have it. Now then, to make sure it keeps, the thread keeps taut, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these that I showed you before. I'm going to, right, they're nipped together, and put them down like that. I'm just going to push them away. And what that will do is that will be able, I don't know if you can see this, if I'm going to be perfectly honest, but that is now keeping it tight from the way it comes out of the fuselage through the control horn. So what I'm then going to do with that is leaving that there, and that's all that needs. That's all the pull I'm putting on that is just pushing these slightly away from the kit that you can't see because I've moved the camera. My apologies. Get a little bit of super glue again. I shall put it right on the end of that control horn. Blast it with some of the accelerator. And we count to 15 again. I think that's enough time for that to have gone off. So what I'm actually going to do, if I slacken that, yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to move it right in. Oh, beautiful. And you can see that line's coming out of the fuselage, it goes to the control horn, it's nice and tight. So what I'm just going to do, just to just need to undo these. What I'm going to do is actually loop it around the control horn. I don't know, can you see this? You're probably going to be at some sort of crazy angle. There we go, come on. Okay, I'm going to loop it through. Hold of it. Oh, that's the joys of working with this stuff. I might have to edit this video a little bit, otherwise it's going to be 20 minutes of me trying to. There you go, it's just gone through. See, this fishing line, it has a certain bit of spring to it. And it doesn't help because I'm not showing you what I'm doing. Yeah, patience is 100% a virtue when you are doing this. I'll push it through there. Let it go very gently. Gotcha. Okay, so it's gone around the control horn in a loop. I'm going to pull that. Yeah, you can see it. I'm going to pull that loop tight. Hold it there. Put my locking snippers on it again. And just use that to pull it tight again. So now all I've done, it's gone through the hole. And that's hopefully not staying where I want it to stay. We've gone through the hole, around, and then back behind it. So it's the thread on the control horn side is through the hole, looped around it. What I'm going to do, put some more glue on it, which should make a stronger. Way too much. Another blast. Make sure that's pulled tight. Thank you. Oh yes, you can. Yeah, I'm just having to look at the screen because I can't really see what I'm filming at the same time. But that, you can see what that's doing. Goes to the control horn, out the fuselage, to the control horn, through the hole, loop around, off towards the back. That super glue will keep it nice and set once it goes off. So I'll let that set and get right back to you again. Right, now this is all fully set. So the only thing left to do is to remove this. So the reason how I'm going to do that, a super sharp X-Acto blade, keep it in the locked in the snips, and to let it kind of pull tight. And pull tight, I said. Pull tight. Boom. And there we have it. I don't know if you can actually see this. Let's have a look. And there is your control cable to your rudder on one side. Still got to do the other side. Probably do that off camera because you don't want to watch all this nonsense again. But that is that. So I'm going to call it for video in this. Like I say, I shall put the other side on. Exactly what I've just done. And then we can get the wings on and start doing the rigging that's involved with the wings. I've just stuck a piece of paper behind so you can actually see the bit line there even better. Focus, focus, focus. Come on, baby. There we go. So yeah, that's a tricky job done. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, here's another video you might want to watch, a playlist you might want to watch also. And please don't forget to, if you have enjoyed it, leave me a like and maybe a subscribe. I would much appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.